Welcome! Today, we'll show you how to use the new Workload Analytics section in the Access Pro web version, a tool designed to analyze your workload and better understand how your sessions and recorded time are distributed.
First, go to the Access Pro dashboard. Then, locate the menu in the top right corner and click on it to access the available settings and tools.
Next, go to the Workload Analytics section, where you can view information and statistics about your workload.
There, you can configure several limits to control your workload. For example, you can set your max daily hours, max weekly hours, max consecutive workdays, and the minimum break between sessions. You can also customize notifications, so Access Pro alerts you when you are close to reaching any of these limits, helping you better organize your working time.
And with that, you now know how to use the Workload Analytics section in the Access Pro web version. You can now set work limits, monitor your workload, and receive notifications to maintain a better balance in your schedule. See you in the next tutorial.